Dear students, this is the ninth problem where we have to prepare the opening balance sheet with the available information. See, concentrate each and everything. This is the opening balances. These are the closing balances. With the help of these opening balances, we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. First, let us see. Balance sheet as on 1/1/2017. So liabilities rupees, assets rupees. See, go subscription received in advance subscription in the previous year, that is 1000. Next is the subscription outstanding subscription, that is 2000. Outstanding subscription, that is 2000. And stock of stationery, that is 1200. Next, books, opening value is books 13,500. Next, furniture is 16,000. Next, outstanding rent 1,000. Next, investments 1 lakh. Next, opening cash in hand 6,800. So now these are all items for the opening balance sheet. Now go through this. 5, carry 1, 13, 16, 17, 19, carry 1, 3, 1,39,500 minus 2,000, 1,37,500. Here 1,39,500 minus 2,000. This is called as capital fund and balancing figure. Totally 1,39,500. Next is there is receipts and payments account. Income with the help of the receipts and payments account, we have to prepare the first part of the final amount of non-profit organization, that is income and expenditure account. Same. Income and expenditure account as on 31st December 2017. CR. Expenditures rupees. Incomes rupees. So now see, go to the receipts and payments account, payment side or credit side. 2 salaries, no adjustment. So 24,000, no adjustment. So next is the traveling expenses, no adjustment. Traveling expenses, no adjustment, 6,000. Next, stationery. Adjustment is there. Stationery. See, purchases is 2,300 and opening balance, that is 1,200. 1,200 is there. Totally 3,000. 500 less on hand 800. The net expenses during the year in the form of stationery is 2700. Next, go to the rent is there. To rent 16,000. Say rent 16,000 is there. Outstanding rent less previous year 1,000. So 15,000 is there. Add current year outstanding 2,000. Total rent is 17,000. Total rent is 17,000. After that, repairs. To repairs is there 700. Say the difference of the depreciation in regards to the books and the furniture. Let us say opening of the books is 13,500. 13,500 is there. Books purchased during the year is 6,000. Totally 19,500 is the value of the books. Say once again I am telling you, books value, opening value is 13,500. Purchases of books is 6,000. Totally 19,500 minus closing value 16,500. This is 3,000 is called as depreciation in regards to the books. I am coming to the same furniture. Furniture value, no furnitures. Okay. Furniture is opening value is 16,000. Furniture 16,000 is their opening value minus sales 6,000 is the selling price. So 10,000 remaining. In that closing value is 8,000. Closing value is 8,000. So you will get 2,000 is the depreciation. Depreciation in regards to the furniture, depreciation in regards to the books. See once again I tell you, opening values of the furniture 16,000 minus sold out last book value 4,000 6,000. So 10,000 remaining value. In that 8,000 is the closing value. So 2,000 is the depreciation. Like this, books opening value is 30,500. Purchases is 6,000. Totally 19,500. Closing value is 16,500. That is 3,000 is the depreciation. So depreciation on books 3,000. Second, furniture 2,000, totally 5,000. And to loss on sale of furniture, that is 6,000 is the book value minus selling price is 4,000. 2,000 is the loss. 2,000 is the loss. Coming to the asset side, subscription. By subscriptions, see subscription is totally 60,200. 60,200 less previous year advance less outstanding in the previous year. That is 2,000. So 58,200. Add advance in previous year. Advance in previous year. Say 1,000, 59,000. And coming to the subscription received in advance next year. Less advance next year, that is 3,200. So once again 800 55,800. Outstanding subscription for the current year and outstanding for current year 3,700. 59,500. 59,500. Next, after this, donations. No information. Write donations. By donations, assume that it is a revenue 3,000 and sale of furniture over entrance fees. By entrance fees, only this is 800. Next is the life membership fees won't be recorded, and 1 lakh is the 5%, 5,000 full year interest by interest on investment 5,000. So after this, outstanding over, interest over, current years over, books, stationery, everything is over. See. So 68,500 minus 57,400, so amount will be 11,100. So to excess of income over expenditure, so there is surplus. Overall 68,500. Next, if you want to see the closing balance sheet. Next, balance sheet. Next, coming to the liability side, first capital fund. As you know, 1,37,500. 1,37,500. Add life membership fees 7,000. Add surplus 11,100. Add surplus 11,100. Overall 500. 500 1,55,600. 1,55,600. Next is that, say, advance subscription 3,200. 3,200. Next is the outstanding rate 2,000. Coming to the asset side, subscription outstanding 3,700. Outstanding subscription 3,700. Next is the stock of stationery. Stock of stationery 800. Stock of stationery 800. Next is the investments 1 lakh. Next is the books 13,500. Add purchases. No purchases in this books. Books is there 6,000. Total 19,500. Less sales 6,000. So 13,500. Sales, how much? Books, no, nothing else. No sales. Books is not sold out, but the closing value is less depreciation 3,000. That is 16,500 books. Furniture is that. Furniture book value is 16,000. Add purchases 6,000. No purchases. Less sales. Sales 6,000. 10,000 amount is available. Less depreciation 2,000. 8,000 is available as book value 8,000. Okay. After coming to this, cash in hand. Cash in hand 1,800. Buildings, purchase value. Buildings 30,000. Building 30,000. Books over. Stationery over. Service over. Cash in hand over. Furniture over. Outstanding investments. Everything is over. See. Say 600. 600 plus 200, 800. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 0. Carry 1, 6. 1,60,800. Here also 800. 20. 28, 800. Carry 2, 2, 3, 3, 11, 11, 17, 17, 22, 5, 5 plus 1, 6,